going on YouTube? Today we're gonna have a little bit of a different video. We're gonna be building my dream garage. We have a bunch of things that we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be painting these walls. We're also going to be installing a lift and lights and completely changing this garage door as well. So on this video, it's a little bit different. It's not car related, but I wanna take you guys on the journey. This is what my garage is looking like right now. I have a bunch of stuff on the wall and over there as well. It is not really looking the best. This paint is starting to get dull and it's starting to chip. It needs something new. So we're gonna be completely painting all of this. We're also gonna be installing lights on the roof so it can look a little bit prettier and brighter in here when we're working on the cars. And the biggest thing of all, we're gonna be installing a 4-post lift in the garage, which is gonna become absolutely crazy. It's gonna help me while working on the cars. And I can't have my mom's car sitting out during the winter, so it helps with storage as well. So the first thing that we gotta do is tear down everything on the wall, move this as well, move everything outside, and start painting these walls. Everything is completely taken off the wall. As you guys can see here, it's all laid in the middle so we can park the F80 in the garage for the night. And then tomorrow we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna move everything outside and we're gonna get to painting. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. And it's the next morning. So today we're gonna get to painting. We have everything, as you guys can see right here, we have everything masked up for this side. We're gonna work on this wall first, and then we're gonna switch over to that side, do that wall. Then we're gonna cover all of this in the middle with a tarp and do the roof. So let's get to the fun part. Let's get to painting. Just like that, we have all the walls done. As you guys can see, it is looking super, super good. I definitely feel like the color of the wall compared to the roof is a lot better. Now, of course, you can see where it's dry and where it's not, but this is basically what it's gonna look like once it's dry. I feel like this looks a lot better. What do you guys think? All we gotta do is the roof and some paint, you know, in the tiny little corners, such as like over here with the brush. But once we do that, I feel like it's gonna look a lot better. Then we can hopefully move on to the garage going up, which is gonna be, I believe, in a week and a half. So let's quickly do the roof and then we should be good to go and put everything back until the garage door is good to go up. The entire garage is done and is back to normal. Now, hopefully in the next couple of days, we'll be able to swap out this garage door for a little bit of a taller one so the hoist can sit here as well. And then at the very end, we'll put the lights. So I'll see you guys in about a week when we do the garage. Well, it's been about a week and a half, actually longer. It's been about 2 weeks and we finally got the garage door. As you can see right here, it's all the way up. They went and they did it while we were picking up the hoist, which should be here in about 10 minutes because my dad's taking it with a U-Haul. But essentially all they did is they moved up the rail so the garage door can go all the way up instead of it sitting down like this. The door opener is actually on back order and they took out my old one, as you can see here. But as far as what we're gonna be doing right now is I'm gonna be waiting for my dad to get here, and once he gets here, we're gonna try installing this 4-post lift. So yeah, hopefully that goes well. Some of you guys may have known and some of you guys may have not, but in the beginning of this video, I had a Yasmarina Blue M3 and I bought a new M3. So yeah, that happened. That's how long it's been. But hopefully everything can go well and we can start doing the hoist today, which should be in the next like 10-15 minutes. So let's see how far and how well that goes. Well, we have the U-Haul and we took apart as many things as we could do. As you can see here, we have everything, the posts all laid out. The only thing we really were struggling on were the 2 actual ramps, because these things are mission impossible. As you guys can see, this is huge and it's super, super heavy. And one, we can't even lift it, let alone put it in the garage. Hopefully Omar, Elias, Fareed, me and my dad can move it. So we're just waiting on them. So in the meantime, we're gonna start assembling all of these and we're gonna start moving the posts and everything. But yeah, this is not as easy as I thought, but we'll get straight into it. We have all the posts good. We have Omar, Fareed, and Elias ready to go. So all we have to do now is we gotta line this up, measure the ramps, and then see if we can slide on the ramps onto these. This is gonna be the hardest part, so let's try.
Are we good? Yep.
Okay. This was not successful at all.
Hey, for no tools and just straight manpower, it's not bad.
This we didn't even put anything up, and yeah, this is a lot harder than I thought. It's just heavy.
Very heavy.
It's not hard. It's just heavy.
Very heavy.
But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. We are almost there. As you guys can see, we have one of the ramps all good to go with the one that has the hydraulic lines. I am freezing. We have one ramp that's already on the posts, as you guys can see. So we just have to flip that one over and then do the same thing we did last time and throw it on the actual ramp. And I'm freezing and I'm tired. So let's go and try that. Now that we have both ramps on, we can do the wiring and then we could throw the top hats on and then start working on the hydraulic pump that goes in the corner as well. This was not easy. This was not easy at all. We're almost to the point where we can start functioning the lift. As you guys can see right there, we put the actual hydraulic motor and we tightened everything. So now it should be good to go for us to fill it up with oil and then start giving it a try. So let's go ahead with that. But right now we're just trying to figure out how to put the oil in the actual tank because this funnel is not fitting in there. And just like that, day 3 is all done. We got all the ramps on, as you guys can see right here. We put everything else over here so we could park the car inside for tonight. As far as it goes for tomorrow, we just have to do all the locks, wirings, and then I think we should be done. So in the meantime, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. It's been about 2 weeks and we finally got the actual lift up and operating. As you can see, the F80 is up on the garage. Now I won't lie, this wasn't as easy as I thought. We also did add some plates so it can level up the slope, but it's been all checked and safetied and the F80 is looking good. Also got the lift installed. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to record that because I was at work, which kind of sucks, but it is okay. But we got the lift installed. The garage door can finally go up and down with that by the click of the button, which is right there, just like my old garage door opener, which is amazing. But pretty much everything is done. We have the F80 on the hoist and it's been about 2 days that I've had on the hoist and this thing does not really budge, which is great. I'm pretty confident now to throw the Q50 underneath the car. So we'll do that in the next couple of days, probably for the weekend, because starting this weekend, the F80 is off the insurance, which means that we're not gonna really see this car much and the Q50 will be able to go under there and we could park my mom's car in the actual garage space so it doesn't have to be left outside. The only thing that we have left, I would say, is this garage is very, very dark, especially when you have this car all the way up there. So one thing I would like to do is I would like to put some lights, those hexagon type of lights. So that's the next thing that we're gonna do in the next like 2-3 days. So we're gonna record that and I'll see you guys when I'm doing the lights. And just like that, the entire garage is complete. We did the lights. I know I really didn't do that much of a recording on it. It was super, super last minute and it was freezing. We were kind of having a little bit of a hard time putting into the roof. For some reason, it wouldn't, like, actually, the nails would just fall. But other than that, this is basically what it is. We did the lights, we did the actual hoist, we have the Q50 looking beautiful under, and we have the M3 looking beautiful on top with this beautiful paint color and the garage door and the lifter being able to go all the way up there. I'm truly, truly happy with how this actually turned out. This actually looks amazing. And I'm not going to lie, it took us about a month to do all of this because we only did it during the weekends. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the ride as much as I did and the journey, and I hope you guys think that it looks great as well. Let me know in the comments below what you guys would add and what you guys would change. I might want to add like a heater or something up there because this is what I'm using right now and it's pretty crappy. But other than that, this is the garage setup. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video, and there will be more coming. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.